Hey guys, Ujjwal here, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix your bad fuel gauge and also to remove your fuel pump from the fuel tank. So let's just get started. तो हम इसे बिल्कुल कॉमन हैंड टूल से करेंगे, जैसे प्लायर्स, हाफ इंच सॉकेट सेट, स्क्रू ड्राइवर और सम ड्राई क्लोथ्स. ओके, so all the tools are linked in the description, so you can find them easily. First thing first, we have to remove the negative cable from the battery. So let's just jump into the rear seat. You have to remove this rear bench just by pulling it up from the front and take it away. So this is where the fuel pump assembly sits. हम इस कवर को हटाएंगे and then just unclip this wiring and then remove the fuel lines and the purge line just by pressing it from the both sides. So now just unscrew these bolts and take this plate out. अब जेंटली पंप को बाहर निकालेंगे एंड बी केयरफुल, इसमें अभी भी पेट्रोल होगा. कपड़े में रख दें ताकि जो पेट्रोल है वो बाहर ना गिरे. सो दिस इज़ अ फ्लोट जो फ्यूल लेवल को शो करता है बाय मूविंग दिस नीडल ओवर दिस सर्किट. तो यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं कि ये सर्किट जो है थोड़ा घिस चुका है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस लॉन्ग रनिंग ऑफ दिस व्हीकल. So the best way to solve this problem is to put in a new fuel pump, but I can't do it right now because मुझे न्यू OEM पंप नहीं मिल रहा है as the car was discontinued now for over 15 years. So to make it work, हमें इस नीडल को सर्किट से टच करना है. So take it out and press the needle backward so that the needle touches the circuit. तो अभी इससे वापस लगाते हैं and then just test. So now reconnect the battery and also connect the fuel pump to its wiring. So now just move the float and see if the fuel gauge is reacting to it or not. So in this case it's working perfectly fine. बट अगर आपका नहीं कर रहा है तो you just have to adjust the needle so that it touches the circuit again. तो अभी केयरफुली इसे वापस डालेंगे टैंक में एंड डू द रिवर्स प्रोसीजर, कनेक्ट द वायरिंग एंड द फ्यूल लाइन्स. So now turn on the ignition and wait till this sound goes. So the sound goes, then repeat the exact same procedure for 3 to 4 times and then try to crank the engine. As you can see, the engine is working perfectly fine and also our fuel gauge is working perfectly fine. So हम यहाँ से यहाँ तक आए with zero money. So if the video seems helpful, then give it a like, a comment and consider subscribing, and I will meet you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.